Hi, I'm David. Welcome to your Nutz, up close and personal. Now we're going to show you the importance of the universal mounting kit in attaching these nuts. Take a look at this hook here. The auto manufacturers provided a nice attachment point here. However, if you just go to put your nuts on with a strap like that, well, look at that, they're hanging the wrong way. So what you need to do is you need to get one of these, the other strap, and you got to forgive my hands, they're going to get in the way, but you'll see the finished product.